What's going on YouTube? Geosn right here. A brand new update to the Dopamine Jailbreak was released, in fact 2 of them, and they're now available on GitHub. Let's get into them and see what's new in this amazing jailbreak. As you probably know, Dopamine is the latest available jailbreak for most of the newer devices, and it works on iOS 15.0 up to 16.6.1. Anyway, it's completely open source, and a couple of days ago we got 2 different updates, the version 2.4 and 2.4.1. Let's get into 2.4.1 first, because it's just one bullet point over here. So it's a fix. It says fix support for iOS 16.0.x. It's a 2.4 regression. So the 2.4.1 just fixes an issue introduced in 2.4. Of course, you should get the 2.4.1. That's the latest version. That's the one you should get. But the actual meat and potatoes is in the 2.4. So let's see exactly what has changed. Add a workaround for spinlock panics on iOS 15 ARM64E that fully prevents them in all cases except one. OPA334 has been battling this issue, which is a stock iOS bug for I think months now, maybe even years. And it's finally here. We finally have a proper workaround. There is also a tool to test the spinlock panics on your device called Time Bomb, released by OPA334 a couple of days ago as well. But it's nice to see that finally there is a fix implemented inside the jailbreak. Now, the other feature, make the Hide Jailbreak fully hide the jailbreak to the point where it should be completely undetectable. Now, if you have applications that definitely make a fuss when you are jailbroken, they don't let you in, they tell you that your device is jailbroken, they ban you, whatever, you can go ahead inside Dopamine and toggle the hide jailbreak button. And that should completely hide the jailbreak, and it should now be completely undetectable. Apply sandbox patches before linking fixes issues when a process directly links against a library inside var JB. Then improve and optimize library validation. Bypass slightly improve fork fix and re-enable tweak injection into web content on iOS 16, and fix a rare system deadlock during initializing jailbreak. So if you had this issue, the jailbreak application would completely lock up, or it would freeze completely the device during the initializing jailbreak phase, then this was indeed fixed. Anyway, yes, you should definitely go ahead and get the latest version. As you probably know, this is the only jailbreak we have at the moment for iOS 16 up to iOS 16.6.1 for newer devices. Now, there is also Pale Rain that works on iOS 18, but that only works on older devices. So realistically, only on iPad 7 generation. So yes, in a way, Dopamine is the last jailbreak that we've got for newer devices. You can check out the latest jailbreaks on iDeviceCentral.com. You click here on jailbreak tools, and there should be the jailbreaks for all iOS versions. It also tells you if there are no tools available for a version. And as you can see, everything is in here. If it's not in here, it's very likely fake. This video was brought to you by 8ksec. They provide an offensive iOS internals course that you can definitely check out if you want to learn about building your own jailbreak, how jailbreaks work, and how to find iOS vulnerabilities. They go in depth into key objectives like learning about the iOS kernel, reverse engineering iOS binaries, and even understanding the memory allocation in userland and kernel, learning how to escape sandbox, and everything you need to know about iOS vulnerabilities, building exploits, and jailbreaking. Definitely check out the course in the link below. Thank you for watching. I'm GeoSn. Update your dopamine and peace out.